Hi, this is my review for the Hayvenhurst RFID blocking wallet. This was provided by Hayvenhurst, the sample, so thank you so much for both of them. Really appreciate it. So you have the brown color and then you have the black color. I personally prefer the brown just because it more matches my skin tone, but whichever color you like, that's cool. So I really like it. I like the little symbol. They have their logo here. So it's very nice, really pops out, stands out. Again, it's RFID blocking, has a little money clip for both of them. Has it right here. So, and then of course you can put your cards and and anything else you want to put here. You have your cards. Oh, wrong side. You can put your cards here, right there, and you can also put an ID on this side if you like, or anything else. So you can just slide it in there. Well, sorry, it'll be on this side. So you can slide in an ID here as like so. So it's very, very nice. They're both super cool. I really like them. Again, I personally like the brown. So, and if you're looking for a new wallet, you definitely want to check these out and hope the review is helpful.